Safety with ETL Listed, spark-proof during lead connection, reverse polarity protected and includes a 8-foot output cord and 2-year warranty. Perfect for all lead-acid, flooded or sealed maintenance-free batteries, AGM and gel cell. Also complete 4-step charging program, initialization, bulk charge, absorption mode, float mode. Small size 3.9 by 2.4 by 1.25 in and suitable for most vehicles. Adapts to all kinds of 12 volts battery for automobiles, motorcycles, ATVs, personal watercraft, RVs, boats, airplanes, golf carts, backup generator systems, lawnmower, etc. Batteries using either the ring or alligator connectors, automatically switches to float, maintenance voltage after fully charging the battery. Intuitive LED indicators provide visual state of charge feedback and diagnostic information, even when in maintenance mode. It will charge and maintain your battery so that it is ready to go when you are. It's lightweight, fully automatic and easy to use. Top reviews from the United States. Great Trickle charger. I got this Trickle charger for my Duramax 13,000 generator and I can say so far so good. I like it so much I got 2 more. One for my 0-turn, the other for my 4-wheeler. If I have any issues I will update this review. I think it's the best deal in battery tenders.